Hello everyone, this is Noobs. I'm extending my heartfelt gratitude for all the avatars that are here, celebrating the first monthsary of the Ghost Warrior fam. I'm happy kung ano na-achieve ng fam. I've seen the growth and development of the fam because here we are practicing the virtue of give and take, sharing like that. Kaya natutuwa ako sa narating ng fam. Papasalamat din ako sa mga dumalo dito. To all the guests, special guests, Cap Lavi, all the admins and members. So enjoy lang tayo, guys. Sabi ko nga, may dayas ka na wala, chill lang tayo. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.